The time is 9:15 on Tuesday, 9th of April 2020, and I'm about to have my dinner of steamed vegetables. Okay, these are steamed kacang bonches, French beans, carrots, broccoli, a little bit of celery, some carrots. These red ones are carrot, some purple cabbage. That's purple cabbage there. And what's this? Those are the French beans. Anyway, those are the steamed vegetables, and I put some black pepper. I put my tomato and pineapple salsa, and some Italian herbs, and some parsley flakes, and then I stir them up. So I'm about to enjoy my late dinner. I don't usually eat this late, but yeah, it's unusual for me to eat this late, to have dinner this late. Usually I try to have it by 6:30 or nightfall by the latest. Just that I haven't been feeling hungry all day. It's strange.